Hi, this is Kirsty from Lloyd's Sewing. In this tutorial we are going to be using the Brother My Snap app to snap capture our embroidery frame with our fabric hooped up in it to position our pattern within it. Now there's two options for this, an easy mode and an advanced mode. This tutorial will be on the easy mode. So the first thing we're going to do is go into embroidery and select the design that you want to use with the fabric that you've hooped up. So I want to use this dragonfly design that's built into the machine. So you set your design, and the next thing we're going to do is use the app to capture our hooped fabric and then send that over to the machine. So on the My Snap app on your mobile or tablet device, in the embroidery section, we want to select the snap capture with frame for pattern positioning. And I have a panel here, a printed panel, and what I'm going to do is place the dragonfly designs around the shape of the bear. So I'm going to select that option. And every time you go onto it, it will tell you how you need to hold your smart device. So you need to hold it parallel to the embroidery frame. Now, once you've done this a few times and you know what you're doing, you can click on Do Not Display Again and it won't come up. So we press OK, we're in easy mode. And what I'm going to do is hold my phone above the frame for 3 seconds and it automatically captures it. So you don't need to hold it and then worry about actually pressing a button to capture the image. It automatically captures it after 3 seconds. We then press Send to the machine and it automatically sends it over to the machine and it will say Sent to embroidery, and you press OK and takes you back to the home screen of the app. Now that's all you need to use the app for, so we can now close that down. And one thing I will mention is that you'll be able to see on the hoop here that we've got these stickers on the top and the bottom, these black and white stickers. And this is a Snap app frame. It comes with the machine, it's 9.5 by 14 inches. It also comes with a hoop that's 5 by 7 inches that has the same markings on them. And those are the two hoops that come with it. You can use other hoops on the machine just for doing your normal embroidery, but if you ever want to use the Snap app, you do need to use one of the Snap app hoops. They have brought out 2 additional hoops of Brother, a 9.5 by 9.5 square, and also a 4 by 4 inch square hoop as well, that have these stickers on to work specifically with the Snap app. So I've come back to my machine, and you can now see on the screen here, it says the image was sent from the mobile app update. So we want to do that. We want to send the image that we've captured on the app of our hooped fabric over to be on the background of our design here. So we press OK, and it's going to tell me to attach the frame used in the image. So I'm going to take my hooped fabric in my 9.5 by 14 inch hoop. Just attaching that onto the machine now. Once you have your hoop attached, you then press OK. It may need to move the embroidery carriage to calibrate with the hoop that you're working with, so you press OK. And our hooped fabric that we captured has now come up on the background of our design. So now what I can do is start moving this design, rotating it and resizing it to fit in. I want to put one dragonfly here and another one just above the bear's head as well. I think what I'm going to have to do is make these a little bit smaller. So I'm going to go to Edit, Size. Now I want it to recalculate the number of stitches that are in the design. So by pressing this button here before resizing, it will ask you to reset the pattern to its original size, angle and position. So we press OK and it just moves it back to the centre there. But now I can make this design smaller without worrying about the number of stitches that are in the design, because the machine will automatically recalculate it to be suitable for the size of the design. I can now move that to where I want it to be, and I want to rotate. So I can fit that dragonfly where I want it to be. And if I want another one of those in the same size, I just press the duplicate button there. And now I've got two of those, and I can carry on rotating that one again until I've placed it where I'd like it to be. Now, if I wanted to add anything else into that design, any other designs, either built in from the machine or externally from a USB or from the wireless aspect, if you've got the PE Design 11, it doesn't need to just be the designs that are built into the machine. You can use other ones as well. Then I'd just press add. But if not, and I'm happy with what I've added in there, I can go through to embroidery, and it's now ready to stitch out my two dragonfly designs on my fabric, and they will stitch out exactly where I've placed them.